Are you ready to delve into effective research analysis? This video explores key aspects of analyzing research findings in residential childcare. Discover how turning data into actionable insights can empower practice. Data collection is just the beginning. This chapter explains how analysis transforms data into findings. Understand the importance of drawing conclusions and reflecting on literature. Learn how recommendations can enhance practice. Discover the value of applying research in real settings. By the end of this video, you will master several skills. You will use data analysis methods effectively. You will draw meaningful conclusions from your findings. You will reflect on how findings relate to existing literature. Finally, you will identify practical applications for your research. Data alone does not answer questions. Analysis is what turns data into findings. Findings show what data reveals. Conclusions explain its significance. Good analysis reports honestly, even unexpected results. Practitioner research aims to improve practice. Quantitative analysis involves numerical data. Summarize with statistics like mean and median. Use charts and graphs to present patterns. Identify relationships in numbers, but avoid overgeneralizing. Keep conclusions proportionate to your sample size. Visuals like tables and charts clarify numerical data. Qualitative findings are presented as themes. Use anonymized quotes to support themes. Provide a narrative that ties data to your research question. This ensures clarity and relevance in presentation. Choose the right method for your data. Questionnaires yield descriptive statistics and charts. Interviews require thematic analysis for themes. Open survey comments need content analysis. Mixed data combines methods for comprehensive insights. Thematic analysis is key in qualitative research. Follow 6 phases: familiarize, code, search, review, define, and report. This method organizes raw data into meaningful themes. It is crucial for understanding interview data. Themes provide answers to research questions. Begin by reading data closely to understand it. Code segments of text to label their content. Group related codes into themes, refining them. Clearly name themes and support with data examples. Apply recognized methods, not just impressions. Consider a study on young people raising concerns. Analyze interviews and a questionnaire. Calculate percentages and chart usage of complaint processes. Code interviews to identify themes like fear of consequences. Compare quantitative and qualitative data for comprehensive findings. Findings show what data reveals. Conclusions explain its significance. A conclusion ties findings to your research question. Avoid overclaiming. Small projects support modest conclusions. Acknowledge study limitations and unexpected findings. Interpret findings to answer your research question. Recognize the limitations of your study. Small samples cannot be widely generalized. Research setting may not transfer to others. Your role might influence participant responses. Stating limitations strengthens credibility and modest conclusions. Reflect on how your findings relate to literature. Compare them with your initial review. Where they align, they support existing knowledge. Differences should be explored for new insights. Place your project in the broader context of knowledge. Reflexivity examines how you influence research. Consider your assumptions and role in the setting. This reflection is crucial for credibility. It ensures honest interpretation of data. Reflexivity enhances understanding of research dynamics. Recommendations should flow from findings and conclusions. They must be specific, practical, and realistic. A good recommendation is smart and actionable. It should be proportionate to your evidence. Translate evidence into practical actions. Consider a conclusion that the complaints process is unclear. Recommendation: create a child-friendly guide with young people. Introduce a trusted adult advocacy route. Feedback visibly when concerns lead to changes. Each recommendation is tied to a specific finding. Lead with recommendations that improve outcomes. Identify quick wins and those needing more resources. Clarify who should act on each recommendation. A short list of strong recommendations is better than a long wish list. Prioritization ensures recommendations are actionable. Research findings must be applied to matter. They can improve practice and shape policy. Use findings in training and team development. Inform decisions with evidence, not assumptions. Effective use completes the research cycle. Share findings with teams, managers, and participants. Present them clearly in reports or presentations. Close the loop by showing participants the impact of their input. Consider wider sharing with authorities or networks. Dissemination ensures findings are used, not shelved. Structure your report for clarity and usability. Start with an introduction and aim. Include a literature review and methods section. Discuss findings and their implications. Conclude with recommendations for action. Consider what analysis method suits your data. Can you distinguish between findings and conclusions? How do your findings relate to the literature? What is the most useful recommendation from your research? Who needs to hear it? This video has guided you from analysis to actionable recommendations. Use these insights to enhance practice in residential childcare.